Hi, and welcome back to Jamie's 4.0 Garage, where today we're happy to bring you yet another video in our series of video labeled Hardware 101. And today we're talking about metric bolts and how do you measure them? Quick, easy, and simple.
So the first step in measuring a metric bolt is let's actually make sure we actually have a metric bolt before we drive ourselves crazy. And the only way to do that quick and easy is look at the head of the bolt. If it's got numbers stamped on the top of it, it's a metric bolt. Versus an American bolt has lines stamped onto it. And that's a whole nother video on the grade of the bolt, and we'll get to that later. We actually have a couple cool ones posted. You probably want to check it out. So I grab a random bolt, and I want to know what size it is because I'm building something, and I got to go replace it. And I look at the top of the bolt and I see number stamped, so I know it's a metric bolt. So the way metric bolts are sized, it's the actual diameter of the bolt, the pitch of the thread, or the distance in millimeters between peak to peak, and the actual length. So let's do the easy thing first. I want to measure the diameter bolt. What's the best thing? Well, I got some metric wrenches. So I kind of grab the one that's going to fit over the shaft of the bolt, the diameter. I have a 10. 10 fits over very nice. That diameter is 10 millimeters. So that's quick and easy using my wrenches. 10 millimeter diameter shaft of the bolt. Next thing, I want to measure the length. So I'm going to grab my ruler. I got a metric and American ruler here. I know there's 10 millimeters in a centimeter. And this is reading 60 on the centimeter scales. That's 60 millimeters. So I know this bolt is 10 millimeters in diameter, 60 millimeters long. Now I need to know the pitch. And the pitch is the distance in millimeters between the peak of each thread. So I can either A, use my ruler and get a good estimate of, looks like 1.5 to me, or I want to be precise, I grab my thread pitch gauge, just like an American bolt, but this one's in millimeters, and I grab each one, try to find the one that's just right. And that one fits in there perfect at 1.5. So to sum it up, I know I have a 10 millimeter 1.5 thread pitch, and it's 60 millimeters long. So when I go to my hardware store, there's no guessing, there's no games, there's no wasted trips. I know exactly what I need, and I go there and I get it. Bring it home, continue with my project. Everything's good to go. Thank you very much for watching.
I hope you all learned something. Hope you had fun here at Jamie's 4.0 Garage, and be sure to check back for other great videos on do-it-yourself educational homeowner and automotive videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day.